Hello and welcome to Digital Ace Tech. Are you an SEO expert that want to sell your services but struggling with customers? If so, or are you a freelancer that wants to help another business get better search engine results? If so, please continue watching this video. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 tips on how to find SEO hungry clients. Before I get into my 3 tips, I want to clarify there are 2 types of SEO, on-page and off-page. As the name suggests, on-page SEO is when you tweak your website or your landing page to be Google sufficient, for lack of a better term, is following all of Google Analytic rules in order to result higher than your competition. Off-page is when other websites reference back to your website in order to grow your popularity. With that out of the way, I want to get into the 3 tips in order to sell SEO services to hungry clients. Tip number 1 is to find people that need it the most. Where do you find people that need your SEO services the most? On 2nd page of Google, 3rd page of Google, and so on. Those are your best targeted clients. Reach out to them. Make sure you do your homework. Prepare for it. Understand and do your research. Understand the needs of your client and do your due diligence, guys. Every lead is an opportunity. Your biggest selling point to sell your SEO services is to let your customers know that Google is the first most visited website on the planet right now. With the 4.3 billion internet users, Google is the one that is visited the most. That is your selling point. Tip number 2, reach out to customers that may need a little tweaking, that may be on page 10 or 20 of Google, but because of simply not being updated to Google's new rules. There are many businesses out there that have created a website about 6 years ago, 10 years ago, and have never come back to do any changes, to make any changes or upgrade their website. One of Google's measuring factors is, as you all know, experts, one of Google's measuring aspect is how fresh your website is, how frequently it gets updated. So that's an easy sell. Let your customers that haven't had an upgrade to their website in years or even a decade, let them know that by simply upgrading their website, you can, or making their website on-page friendly, SEO friendly, their website is going to rank higher on Google search results. That was tip number 2. Tip number 3, let's go back to our tip number 1, finding people that are on page 2, 3, and 4. But tip number 3, my favorite, is finding people that are on page 1, towards the bottom of it. The bottom 3 people, those are the easiest ones to talk to about. Let them know that you can do everything needed in order for them to stay on the first page and rank even higher than their competition. Again, the key is to do your research. Do your due diligence before you call each client, you guys. Be personable. Every lead is an opportunity. With that, good luck selling your SEO services. My name is Sam and you're watching Digital Ace Tech. Thank you.